Hi everyone, this is the New Zealand USD trade that I am currently in. I caught it yesterday and I've been giving regular updates in the forum, which is for the members. As you can see here, yesterday I caught it to the pip over there, and I've been giving regular updates on how I've been managing the stop and managing my risk basically, and also some other updates. And there you go, it was 50 pips in profit there. That was today. And you can see here that was to the pip entry and classic M2 trade. We had the breakout here, but we did not get the pullback, so we didn't take the trade, but we waited all this time for this trade, and that was to the pip there. Yesterday on the CPI news, it did a spike in it, and then I put my entry just above that daily 55 there, and then now it is currently around 60 pips in profit. It has almost done its daily range today, and my take profit there is around 90 pips. And what I'm gonna do is, because it's around 60 pips in profit now, I'm going to take half of the trade off, basically scaling out, and I'll leave the rest to run. So to do that, we need to close half the position. So we go on, click on here, close, and then I have got 1.20, so I'm going to close around 0. Let's see, 80. I'll close most of the position, close 0.80 there, and basically then we go on the 4 hour, and then I'll have a look at where can I put my stop. So I'm gonna move my stop under that 200 moving average there, because we have some consolidation there. We had the breakout there, and the price has gone up further. So just to secure a few more pips, and then that is basically now risk-free trade. So at 15 pips, so if it does come down, takes me out, I'm not going to lose anything. And that's 60 pips on New Zealand USD, and then hopefully it hits my take profit at around 90 pips there. Thank you.